What's going on? It's Ed from My PPC Training, and I know you've been watching some of our AdWords tutorials, but it looks like you haven't signed up for our ebook guide right here, the 5 quick hacks to increase your AdWords campaign ROI. So here's the deal. As I said earlier, my name's Ed. I'm one of the founders of My PPC Training, and also I own an agency called ClicksGeek. I've got 100 plus clients there, and along the agency journey, I'd say we've audited close to 1,000 campaigns. And what we're seeing is that most people, even the smart marketers, are making the same 5 mistakes over and over and over again with their campaigns. And they're simple things. And what we've done is we've put together this guide to help you not only identify those issues within your campaign, but how to fix them. So we're putting this free guide out into the market. I hope you enjoy. All you gotta do is click over here, add your email in, download it, and we'll send off a copy for you, and you'll get that immediately. Here's some of the stuff that'll be covered in it. I'm not going to read that. I'll let you read that yourself. And then also here's some testimonials. We've got the largest AdWords training tutorial channel on YouTube. We've got I think 160, 170, 180 videos, something like that at this point. So in terms of content, we've got the largest channel, the deepest channel. And that's it. I hope you dig it. All you got to do is click the link on the screen. If you're on mobile, it'll be up top. If you're on desktop, it'll be down below. If you're on a tablet, I don't know. Who uses tablets anyway? But look for the link on the screen, click that link, and you'll be taken to this page that you're seeing right here. You can download the guide, and as I said earlier, it's super simple. There are 5 big mistakes most people are making with their AdWords campaigns, and that even goes for you smart agency and marketers, you smart agency owners, and you smart marketers, and you AdWords experts. You guys are all making the same mistakes. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.